Dana, also known as a high-level isolated depression, has wreaked havoc in Andalusia, specifically in the province of Almeria, Spain. This weather phenomenon has brought a series of extreme weather events, including heavy rain, thunderstorms, and severe hailstorms. Lightning illuminated the sky every few seconds, followed by the rumble of thunder, heavy rain, and hail. The municipality of Elejido, one of the areas in the province of Almeria most affected by the hailstorm on Monday night, October 28, 2024, was hit hard. The heavy rain also left flooding across various parts of the city, with streets and cars submerged. Around 10 p.m., the sky began to rain, creating a tense atmosphere. Suddenly, golf ball-sized hailstones fell heavily from the sky, causing significant damage. This event shocked the residents of Elejido. The National Meteorological Agency announced that the entire province of Almeria was on orange alert for rain, thunderstorms, and wind. The hail began to hit several vehicles on the road. As a result, windows of some cars and trucks parked outside were shattered. Additionally, windows and roofs of houses were damaged, and other architectural and infrastructure elements were affected by this severe hailstorm. One resident of Elejido expressed fear as the hailstorm was so intense that it caused significant material damage. All cars on the streets had damaged windows, and some vehicle bodies were even dented after almost an hour of the hailstorm tonight.